Hi and welcome to the home of Invoq. Today we're gonna cook a little easy vegetarian dish. It's gonna be this little cabbage that we're gonna grill in the oven. I already had preheated our grill tray. We have our cabbage that we're gonna season with olive oil, salt and pepper. Then we have pumpkin seeds that we're gonna roast in the oven, cottage cheese, and then we have our little hummus made from carrots that we have baked in the oven. We have another recipe for that. And on top, some watercress. And it's very important to preheat your grill tray so it's very hot, so it has that function of a grill pan. For the roasting of our pumpkin seed, we are using our aluminum tray that is coated with a non-stick coating. And inside this aluminum, that's very good for the transportation of heat. I'll give it a quick roast. Now the cabbage is done, and you can trim off if there's any part that's too toasted or grilled. We'll start up with the hummus. Then our cottage cheese. Nice, rich and creamy, and our crispy seeds. And if you have something pickled, like pickled onions, it goes very well together as well. Our little vegetarian dish. Now we just need the final seasoning, some salt and fresh grinded pepper. There you go, enjoy.